Vybz Kartel, one of the most influential figures in dancehall music. Oh, yes, he has left an indelible mark on Jamaican culture and beyond. His lyrics and persona has sparked both admiration and controversy. Yes, but what is the real impact of his music on the youth of Jamaica? Today we are diving deep into this topic, exploring the facts, the perspectives, and the broader implications. Welcome everyone to the Jamaican Analyst channel, the channel where we review cases, analyze them carefully, and give our honest opinion. Let's get into it. Born Adidja Parma, Vybz Kartel rose to fame in the early 2000s, quickly becoming a dominant force in the dancehall scene. Known for his lyrical prowess, Kartel has released numerous hits that have topped charts and resonated with fans globally. Vybz Kartel's influence on Jamaican culture is undeniable. Oh yes, for many, he is a source of inspiration, an artist who rose from humble beginnings to achieve international fame. His music has empowered many youths, encouraging them to embrace their roots and express themselves boldly. Additionally, Kartel's entrepreneurial ventures, such as his line of products and his founding of the Gaza Empire, have shown young Jamaicans the importance of business acumen and self-reliance. But this is where the coin flips. Listen, Vybz Kartel's music has not been without its critics. Some argued that his lyrics often promote violence, misogyny, and a lifestyle that glorifies criminal behavior. This has raised concern about the potential negative influence on young, impressionable listeners. What do you think, my viewers and subscribers? Research and public discourse have highlighted the role of music in shaping social behaviors, especially among the youth. The concern is that Kartel's portrayal of certain lifestyles might contribute to the normalization of violence and other negative behaviors. What are your thoughts, my viewers and subscribers? I am giving a fair analysis. I am splitting it right down the middle. I am giving you the information, the negatives, the positives, but I want to hear your view on the matter. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Ultimately, the impact of Vybz Kartel's music is multifaceted. Do you agree with that? Let's continue. While he has undoubtedly inspired many, there are valid concerns about the content and the message of some of his lyrics. As with any influential figure, it's essential to look at the full picture and understand the context in which the music is created and consumed. Okay? So the big question is, my viewers and subscribers, does Vybz Kartel's music have a positive or negative impact on the Jamaican youths? What is your answer to that? The answer may not be clear-cut, but what is clear is that his influence is profound and far-reaching. It challenges us to think critically about the role of music and media in our lives and the lives of our young people. My viewers and my subscribers, I'm calling you to action. What do you think? Again, I ask, does Vybz Kartel music have more of a positive or of a negative impact? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Jamaican Analyst channel for more in-depth discussions on current affairs and matters of concern in our society. Tell me your thoughts down below. I know the Gaza fans are going to come hard at this video, but I did a fair analysis. I show you the positives, I showed you the negatives, but I want to hear your feedback. What do you think? Do you think his music influence the youth of nowadays positively, or do you think it has a negative impact on them? Feel free to join the discussion. Keep it real in the comment section. No disrespect to anyone. Everyone is free to state their opinion. Let's start a discussion and let's see what the conclusions will be. Calling for the Gaza fans. I'm calling for the regular Jamaicans. I'm calling those that in the upper echelons of our society. I'm calling for the man on the street. I need to hear your feedback on this matter. Truth be told, we don't want to be biased, but tell us what you think. Do you think Vybz Kartel should use the influence that he has in a more positive way to influence the young people of nowadays to go for their goals, go after their dreams, get higher education, or it's the bleaching, or the girls, or the money? What do you think? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I am willing to have this discussion, my viewers and subscribers. I want to hear from you. Tell me your thoughts. All the best until we meet again. Do take care and be safe. This is the Jamaican Analyst signing out for now. Until next time, all the best.